Honey,
Hmm?
what happened to your keyboard?
Jude's supposed to be off.
That's a shame.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe you shouldn't be consuming alcohol.
It would have been tea if it wasn't beer.
That's true. And what are you doing, mister? Oh, you want Cheetos? Cracker? Jude, say cracker. Can you say Daisy? Say Daisy. That's right. Say Daisy, where are you? Say Daisy. Say Nana. Say Papa. Say Dada. Yeah, Dada is right there. What happened to Daddy's keyboard? Beer? Jude, beer. Jude, say uh-oh. Cracker. Can Doggy have a cracker? Thank you. Jude, what happens when Doggy eats food? What do we say to Doggy? No, Lily, don't think about that. Jude, say no, no, Doggy. Jude. Let me have these. Hey, say no, no, Doggy.